Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you what you can do, how to unlink your audio from video or video from audio in Adobe Premiere 2019. So what you want to do is to just, when you have audio or video and you can unlink it, right click and unlink. What will happen that you can easily edit it, or the second option, the really fast way, is to just press Ctrl L. And it will automatically unlink your audio from video, which is amazing. And now easily you can delete that, and voila. And if you want to link it again, just grab both of your clips like this, or just press one and shift, hold the other and press on another one, right click, link. So this is how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. What's happening? Okay, that's it. Thank you and goodbye.